Guys! Why? Guys, me not get no call. Me not get no ask. From yesterday, me I wait till now. I don't get a call. Guys, I don't get a call. Guys, I don't get a call. Pain. Jesus, mercy. Jesus. So be it, me so be it, man. Me so be it, man, me so be it. Me did be it last night. No, me did be it last night, man. Me did be it last night, man, before me got my bed, man. Oh God, man. Bear with me, man. Just bear with me. Just bear with me, guys. What the wait? No, man, a yellow juice. No, a yellow juice, so me have, yes, so, you know. A yellow juice, so me did have, yes, so. See, yellow juice, so me that drink. Hope this a drinks a teeth, so. I wonder if I can brush my teeth. What for breakfast? What for breakfast? What for breakfast? You know, somebody want to say you. What I want to say you, baby. But we're afraid. Oh crap. What is this? How many creeping here? How many creeping here? Yeah, I have to bleach out my head side because if me not bleach out my head side, it go look away. You see it? Guys, me I tell you the honest truth. Me not get the car for you, bro. I mean, and I don't know what to say. It actually tricked me. She tricked me. She tricked me. What am I gonna do? Oh, slow alone. That mode. Yeah, my horse slow it. Oh. Cause me and Alkaline did that text one night, you know. Alkaline I say, yo, everything feel like it a mash up, just slow it. Make it go on. You see it? No, for real, man. Me that chat to Alkaline, man, and Alkaline. Yeah, man, Moody, man, me good, man. You good? You good? You no good also? Guys, look how my face look clean and sexy. Yo. Brother. Why no stop, bro? I love mix up, so, bro. On the top life on the girl, brother. And first thing first, she can't call me. That's the first thing. She cannot call me. And stop telling life on the girl, bro. Stop. Why not try and mix, bro? You just lower her, you can't lower her alone. Lower her alone, bro. Stop calling her name, bro. Just lower her alone, man. Why not keep her to do that to her? Lower her alone. She not call me, bro. Stop call her name, bro. She not gonna call me name, bro. Me sure of that. Me not have to ask Christ. She not gonna call me name over there, bro. If me not sure about nobody else, me sure about that one day. She not gonna call me name over there, bro. And she not gonna say nothing bad over there. She not gonna say nothing bad over there, bro. About me. She not gonna say nothing bad over there, bro. Me I tell you that. So you can't come to me and tell me nothing, bro. She not even gonna mention me. You go just look like say me never in her life. Me I tell you that, bro. So on the top, come over here, so. On the top, come over here, so, and I call her name, bro. Go add Jabas. If nobody want vex, them vex, bro. What are the choke me attack? You see, are the choke me attack, bro. You can't hide the choke, bro. I be a pre, you are pre, man, you know. Who the fuck is you? Me don't even know your body, boy. I suck you, my youth. If you fuck, man, me know you. Batty, man. Hey, boy. Me know you for your pre, your pussy. If you fuck, man, again. Guys, why not why have a chat? What do you know? Remember say me no go over there so you know. Remember say me no go over there so. And me no fuck Batty again. Now now you can call up a bomb buckler name over so. Remember say me no go over so. Remember, so me no go left. Me no fuck party again. Relax. Big up with themselves, my father. I know, gimmicks thing. Me nah, gimmicks out the thing, my father. Me just, I see one look line when me hear it. Me nah, gimmicks out the thing, my father. You understand? Me nah, gimmicks out the thing. Me nah, gimmicks out the thing, my boss. You see it? Me nah, gimmicks out the thing, world dog, but... No man, I think a world dog did say it, man. I never me. I never me. I know me, my father. I know me. You don't know my style. Jesus Christ, me I tell him. More fucking. Oh God! Murder! Look how long me no fuck. Look how long me no stop something. Look how long me no push in and push out. Look how long me would not turn up for something. Look how long something no come out of me back. Look how long. Look how long me no fuck. I must say that's why me so ignorant. I must say that's why me so miserable. I must say that's why me so interblue. I must say that's why me no evil. I must say that's why me no eye. I must say that's why me no know this spell. I want to fuck something. My back. Me feel like me can't lift up one whole cow. Me feel like me can't lift up TikTok bar shop. Boy. Guys. Me feel like me could have lift up Rosalie. Guys, me no get no text for you, guys. Me no get no text, bro. Me no get no. You know somebody shove me on another blood clot fan. I fan bro. If you love me, you shove your hand in that fan. I must mascot. You're slow. Girl, go suck out your mama big stinking pussy, girl. What you mean, me slow? Big hood. No, so you take me clean up first. What you mean? My room dirty. She texts him too happy. What you mean? What you mean me too happy, bro? What you mean me too happy? What you want me to do? Sad up myself? What you mean? You want me sad up myself and look depressed and so? I can't sad up myself and look depressed and so, bro. No! Good morning, RJ. No sadness to the dolly body. No sadness around here. No saddy. Can't saddy. No, saddy. Chad, what go on? Sexy, good morning. Good morning to all my peoples. To all my peoples, what you know, guys? Me no want to know go around, and me no want to know have up the team back logo, and me no want to know do no fuckery. We are not in war with anybody, because remember, we cannot be in war with nobody. Remember, we are the good morning. Remember, we are the peacemakers on the app. We don't cause trouble. We don't cause problem. We are the one that solve problem. But remember, we are hypocrite. Don't forget that. Luna, good morning. Good morning. I will need winter fresh now. Rich badness. Do not say good morning. Good morning. HOOD and morning. Right? Cool. Sexy, what go on? Active, me dog. Active, me dog. Active. Who the number one? Who the number one, guys? Oh, Kitty. I forgot bad mind Kitty, you know.
What's your name there?
What's up?
What's up, Chrissy? What's up? What Max TV? What
Good
one?
day, Jayden.
Ziggy go soft, you know. What's up, Chrissy? What one?
Christian was here, so can't prove it for her.
Chrissy, to where your body turn up on something. Think you would have a car? Me think you would have a car.
Me have a car.
It you know?
Yeah.
In a back seat.
Yeah, because something wrong with the other vehicle. My work on it, so I come turn us and do the thing there.
You look beautiful, though.
You
Thank
can't
you.
give her the money when no take it from her. No rob her, you can't give it back. She deserve it.
What?
No rob her, you can't give her the money. Give it back.
Where sir?
No rob her, give her back the money.
No, Rabia. How much money no Rabia?
No, still owe me $10,000.
That money, man.
But no go on with that. That me no want to talk about no right. No.
That money, man. That money, brother. I'd even 10 grand for me gas suit. I'm $200. What can I disrespect that, brother? That money, youth. I'd even my gas money, dog. You see it? That money when me give madman, me throw it for madman and say, yo, my father, hold on upon that, bro. You see it? You see me I say, hold on upon that and help yourself, bro. Because me ever go around and help madman and them thing there, bro. You see me I say? I saw me turn, bro. Anytime I see one madman on the street, bro, me ever give them money, bro. You see it? Lunch money that, man. One time I go to one police station, bro, and just give them $1 million, bro, and say, yo, hold on upon that, me charge it. Hold on upon that, and share that up. You see, because we are gangster in the street, and we are the street away. We are protect the youth them in the street. Bro, cha. Good morning, Wendy. You see, so, I just, cha. What cream you use? I don't use no cream, I take pick. Do you have a key? What? Admika. Them say me can't, it look like them say me can't play Maker. It look like them me no want to go say no. Guys, I'm Admika. Let me cut it. Pour out my screen. 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 Bring me go 100k tappings. She playing with Annie. Why was Annie crying? I don't know why was Annie crying. I really don't know. And Annie is such a good soul. I don't know why you don't like her. But me like her. You see. Pour out my screen there. Pour out my screen. Bring me go 100k tappings. That way mix up there, guys. Mix up there. TikTok liar. Me still no recover for our TikTok liar do you know. Still no recover. Batty man, suck your mama. Fuck you mean if me do it. I wish moderator pin them fuck with them man. Boy, go suck out your mama, boy. Send across one I wig them, my father. Let me dash on that and do a promotion. Send the rig them. Send across the wig, my father. Dash on one I wig them and deck with the promotion really sweet. You see? Send across the wig them, my father. Yeah, send across the wig them. You know, so me is not a judgmental. Me is not a judgmental man, you know, you see it? Me not really judgmental, you know. You see me I say, so if me dash on a week, that would have to be 60,000 and up. You see, because if hey, can you help? Hey, can get some help, please, Jayden? No, baby, no, baby. Link Andrew Wellness. The people that will not vote, you know, so many if you got, many if you, Nizzy, what's up? How you doing? You know, say that lady there, one pretty lady. Oh, that lady there, one pretty lady, you know. Nizzy.